What's going on, guys? This is your boy Azam with INVESTOFY, and in today's video, I will be going over a stock that I just recently purchased for the price of about $4.48. And I believe that this stock has 1,000+% upside potential, meaning that you can possibly make 10 times your investment. But that being said, just so no full disclosure, that this is all educational information. I'm not a financial advisor. It's all for entertainment. If you do buy any stock, that is all your responsibility. Please do your due diligence. Also, please like and subscribe to our channel. I try to make these kind of videos almost every day so that you guys can get some value and then do your own due diligence on that. And in the description, please look forward to getting your free stocks from Webull for the value of up to $1,600. So let's get right into it. What is the stock that I'm talking about? And the stock is Bio Delivery Sciences, BDSI. Basically, what they're doing is they're a biotech company, but this is what I like about this company is that they have products. They don't just have a pipeline, they have products that are patented and they're working with chronic pain. So the products that they have are these two, which is Belbuca for help manage chronic pain severe enough to require daily around the clock long-term opioid treatment, and for which alternative treatment options are inadequate. So that's the first product that they have, which is FDA approved, and that's really important. I know that there's always this news around biotech companies getting crazy returns, but the fact is, a lot of them tend to fail because they do not have FDA approved products, and it takes years to get to that point. So this stock already has, this company, BDSI, already has FDA approved products, and you guys can value that whenever a stock has that, then it's all about sales and growth over time, and that they will be able to grow a lot more. And that's why I think that this stock easily has 1,000+% upside. The second product they have is Simproic, and it's an opioid antagonist indicated for the treatment of opioid induced constipation in adult patients with chronic non cancer pain, including patients with chronic pain related to prior cancer or its treatment who do not require frequent opioid dosage escalation. So that's what this company is in. And they have approved products, again, which is a huge plus. But at the same time, the stock is only about $4.53. But here's where it gets interesting if we look at their fundamentals. Their market cap is only 436.9 million. They have already 145 million in sales. So there are companies with zero sales and they're sitting at 10, $20 billion valuation. So in my opinion, I think just based on these numbers, this stock and we can anticipate it to grow even more and go 10x in the years to come, right? Then we are looking at their earnings per share this year has been growing. For next year, it's 100%. Their sales the past 5 years is growing. Their quarter by quarter is up 30%. And earnings per share quarter by quarter is up 2,550.6%. And that's crazy. Like these numbers are growing. And so that's where I think there's an opportunity. But if you're to buy it right now, I'm always about looking at the technicals along with the fundamentals, because the technicals help me with what are my risk adjusted places. Where can I put a stop loss? And in this case, I can put my stop loss at about 3.75, right around here, and just hold on to this stock. If it hits my stop loss, it hits it. But I think that this stock has potential to easily go to like $6 and possibly even break through as time progresses. So this stock has a lot of potential personally, and I think that you guys should consider doing your own due diligence on this and let me know what you think. If all of this is not enough indication that this stock might have a lot of potential, we should look at the hedge funds that are investing in this. And you have Deerfield, you have Two Sigma, you have AQR, you have Renaissance, DE Shaw, Millennium. Like, I mean, all the big players are invested in this biotech company compared to other ones that they could have because they perhaps know something that we don't know. And also, fun fact, BDSI is a Sharia compliant stock. So, highly recommend you guys look into this company and do your own due diligence. Let me know if you have any questions about this or if you have questions about any of the other stocks that I made videos on. So, thank you so much once again, guys. I hope that this video helps you all and that if you do invest in this company that it increases your wealth, it increases your returns on investment, and please like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thank you once again. Have a good evening. Assalamu alaikum.